Today, we are going to discuss very important things. Now, we have completed the Wi-Fi part. Now, we have very good knowledge about the Wi-Fi technology. There are some other radio technologies, that is Bluetooth, then the ZigBee, and Wi-Fi. So today I am going to discuss about these three technologies. Because these technologies also useful when you are doing your assignment too. Because the most of the sensor networks are connected to the ZigBee technology. Right? And the Bluetooth also useful. Everybody knows what is Bluetooth and the use of that one. We will study some theory about those things. Then the Wi-Fi, light fidelity. Instead of the wireless fidelity, the latest technology is the light fidelity. Now I know we started our broadband technologies, actually the internet connecting technologies with the dial-up connections. Then it is later on changed to the copper cables, ADSL technology. Then we could go to about 2 megabit per second. Dial-up network, what was the bit rate? Anybody can remember? Anybody know? Do you have experience of dial-up network?
Yeah, sir.
What is the bit rate? Do you remember?
Something about 200 kbps, right?
Not that much. It was about 14.4 kilobit per second. It has 9.6 kilobit per second and 14.4 kilobit
It was
per
there
second.
around 2001 and 2008, right?
Yeah, around 2000, I think it was there. Yeah, yes, you are correct, I think. Then this ADSL came around, I think, 2005 somewhere to our country, actually, right? So the ADSL bandwidth, then we went to about 2 megabit per second. So nowadays that also not sufficient. And the wireless, so the mobile technology also, we started with the kilobit per second from the 2G, and when you go to the 2G, it went up to about even 200 kilobit per second. I remember that type of bit rate. Then it is going to the 3G, it went to some megabit per second, but practically less than that actually. And the 4G, you can go about 10 megabit per second, that kind of speed also. Now, when you come to the wired technologies, ADSL is there. ADSL, you can go about 2 megabit per second. Now, that is also not sufficient nowadays. Now, suppose we have HDTV at home. You cannot get the HDTV connection from the ADSL. Even you get it, the quality will not be there. The bandwidth is not sufficient. Then the fiber to the home came. Actually, I introduced that one to the Sri Lanka Telecom. Can somebody say what is the speed of the fiber?
5 Gbps?
No, do you have anybody has fiber connection at home? I think most of you have. Yeah, now they are giving 200 Mbps also. So earlier it was 100 Mbps, now 200 Mbps. So I think around 2015 somewhere, this was introduced. Actually, I did the pilot project in Goal by giving 5 connections to medical faculty, engineering faculty, telecom office like that, Lighthouse Hotel. And we demonstrated even 300 Mbps speed there, then everybody was surprised. After that, As a standard package, we gave 50 megabit per second and 100 megabit per second. Later on, it was standard to 100 megabit per second download and 50 megabit per second upload. Now they provide even 200 megabit per second. It can go up to 1 gigabit per second speed when necessary. Right? So therefore, when the fiber comes, you have enormous bandwidth, and that bandwidth is sufficient to work with any application you have. And the applications are coming in more bandwidth hungry applications. Or when you say the TV, you have the standard TV, then you have the high definition TV, 4K TV, 16K TV. So like that, all these things are, quality is increasing. Because of that, the required bandwidth also increasing. And many applications are coming through the cyberspace, then everything you need the bandwidth. So different applications, different bandwidths are required. So even at home or in any premises, you can have the Wi-Fi connections, but that bandwidth also not sufficient nowadays. So therefore, within the home also we can have the lights signals. So Wi-Fi is the latest one. It is similar to the fiber to the home at home. So this is for local area networks, Wi-Fi. So today we will discuss those things also. Before I go further, if you have a question, you can ask me. Any question?